tired of counting sheep? Let's fix that. Sleep is your body's repair crew, working hard behind the scenes. On average, you need between 7 to 9 hours each night. Sleep comes in cycles of REM, that's light sleep, and non-REM, the deep, dreamy stuff. We go through these cycles 4 to 5 times a night. So, what can we do to improve our sleep quality? Here are some tips. First up, daylight exposure. Soak up some sun during the day. It helps set your internal clock. Next, get moving. Regular exercise, even a brisk walk, can lead to deeper sleep. A good bedtime routine is key. Think of it as prepping for a cozy night in. Put away screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Use that time to unwind without the blue light. Try mindfulness techniques. Listen to calming songs, read a book, or even journal. Your sleep environment matters. Dim lights, calming scents, a comfy mattress and pillows, and blocking out noise can make a huge difference. Cut down on cigarettes, alcohol, and caffeine. They can impair your sleep. If you're still struggling with good sleep, consider acupuncture or talking to your doctor for more help.